Hello and welcome back to Talktails. I'm Christian Stworski. I'm a hospitality student, and today we're going to be doing the best hangover cure known to man, the Bloody Mary. All right, so you're going to want to start with a glass, a shaker, some ice, and we'll kind of run through the ingredients as we go here. You know, the Bloody Mary is kind of something that you can do a lot of different things in it. It's a pretty versatile drink. So you're going to want to start with some ice in your glass. You're gonna wanna do everything but the tomato juice first, and just top it off with the tomato juice. So you can start out with your seasonings. So we got some Creole seasoning here. Just a couple little dashes. You're gonna go probably some pepper, salt you could do if you wanted. Couple dashes of pepper. All right, and then you're gonna wanna go around a shot of vodka. So 1, 2, 3. I like mine a little bit stronger, so we'll go a little extra. You're gonna want probably about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, somewhere in that ballpark. That's probably good. And then I like to put a little bit of pickle juice out of the pickle jar in there too, just like a splash. We got some A1 here. Do a little dash A1. Do a little more. Kind of just to taste for most of these ingredients, however you want to do it. Then we got hot sauce. I like a little spicier, so I'm gonna go probably 4 or 5 dashes in there. And then you're just gonna top it off with the remainder of the cup with tomato juice. All right, so this is where your shaker is gonna come into play here. You don't really need to strain it because we already have ice in there. Just pour it right back in. And then now you're gonna wanna garnish. Probably one of the best hangover cures known to man, so let's give it a try. Yeah, that is absolutely delicious, and you know, if it's a Sunday morning, you're coming off a 2 or 3 day bender with the boys, that's definitely gonna be something that you're gonna need in your system. You're getting a whole meal and some alcohol all in one. Thank you for tuning in to Talktails, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.